Good afternoon, everybody. We, in fact, had a long session of 2 hours. The complete ethos that surrounded to the point. Education is continuous. And every lawyer or the person in legal field is a student always till the end. I come across at least 40 theory of practice. I saw the 42nd Amendment of the Constitution in the year 1977. Now we are in 104th Amendment of the Constitution. The major law that we started in practice, arbitration law, CPC, labor law, whatever, the taxation law, all these laws has gone on sea change. And 10 to 15% of our cases are lost only on the point of jurisdiction, or there is change in law, or you have come to the wrong forum. It is all due to no effect of continuous legal education. Today, the foundation has been installed, not stirred, and Mr. Samant will carry the bogey, he'll be the engine, and definitely the Bar Council of India would be the driver to carry it on, and we'll see the day that it must see, as Professor Mitra has rightly said, this may be the first institution in the world, and next stood with Australia. I congratulate everybody for this. Now to have this occasion most successful, we had the one of the eminent lawyer and a judge, lawyer converted to judge, Justice Lalit, as the main person or the chairperson of the day, to see that the foundation really installed in a very auspicious day. And in fact, I was standing with Mr. Samant when we were waiting for the Chief Justice and all judges to come and arrive and take them inside. It started drizzling. I said, in our Hindu faith, we believe any drizzling when you start an auspicious job is always auspicious and is midst the day. We have one of the brilliant person, Mr. Justice Gabai, who in fact has spent a lot of time with us. And my Lord Justice Subramaniam, Madam Subramaniam. And it is really, the reason is the Odisha attracts everybody, and that is proved. So far Justice Uday Lalit is concerned, he is a regular visitor to the state, and he said that I have been conferred with my doctorate, the first doctorate I got it from Utkal University, because that is the reason Odisha is special for me. I thank all my lords for spending their valuable time to lay a foundation which is very much essential to the legal profession. Then I must extend my thanks to the entire members of the BCI, those contributed and put all efforts, and with Mr. Samant, who created a heaven of legal institution where things can be fulfilled, and that is the reason BCI accepted, and Mr. Samant honored it and accepted it. I thank all the members of the BCI. On behalf of BCI as well as the Odisha State Bar Council, I extend all my thanks to the members of the BCI. I must be thankful to the Vice Chancellors, those are present. Those can, in fact, take the advantage of the institution's requirement in the field of training them, in the field of training the lecturers, the professors, the lawyers, the judges, everybody. Because even the profession I found, most of the time when you place a matter before the judge may not be knowing that there is such a notification is there. In this country, with my experience, I say, 40% of the things are running on notifications, circulars. Even the major laws are continuing in notification circulars. And it is impossible, and particularly environment, taxation, and any revenue law. based on circulars, notifications. Who has the time at least to go through all this? So this institution will carry that torch, and we must be learning them just to see that legal profession remains to the best and the legal advices given to the litigants and the society remains as the best. I extend my heartfelt congratulations to and thankfulness to Dr. Achyuta Samant, who in fact opened his hand inviting the BCI people, saying that I found my life starting with education. I found my life contributing to humanity. And I must see the humanity and the civilization can only exist if the society is disciplined and well-read with the provisions of law to guide the society and develop the society. And thank all the invitees, all the judicial officers, all the judges of the Honorable High Court sitting and past, and all my friends and students present here for attending this most honorable day, I can say, and contribute to your presence. I thankful everybody, and I thank all the media people, those are present and carrying the message to the people that this is the occasion that the state has founded, and I'm grateful to all the members of the KIT University and KIST establishment. Those contributed a lot to see that this day is successful. Thank you all.